and selfie videos. You can say hi to our audience. Yeah, move over here a little bit. Here you go.
Hi.
You can say something you want.
Oh, you cannot look at this. It's a Valentine's present.
Oh, it's my gift. What do I get?
Well, I can't tell you. It's a secret.
You talk in the camera.
I can't. I have to repeat that.
It's okay. They can see you.
This is Panda, and I can't tell you what your present is.
Say something, Panda. You should say something because Panda can't talk.
He talks with his eyes.
This old guy.
I think sometimes they install the cam like one there and then one there.
Yeah, I think we should put it over there. It's a better angle.
Yeah. Because here it's like half of our face, which makes a complete one face.
Okay, we'll try again later.